Welcome back here with Wake Up India. Well, they were once the pioneers of the fast food industry, but today they are dying. The changing food fads in Maximum City are forcing Udupi restaurants to shut shop and lease out their property to fast food chains and banks.
Now, the pace at which all of this has been happening has quickened in recent years due to rising costs and a shortage of manpower. Here's a report by our correspondent Amrita Shegde.
There was a time when people would queue up outside Udupi restaurants in Mumbai. But changing food fads in the city are leading to their end in the Maximum City. This is Nitin Shetty, once the owner of an Udupi restaurant, running a flourishing business. He's now had to convert his restaurant into a hotel that serves everyday food. He had no choice. The crowds had stopped coming, and so had the waiters.
बढ़ गए हैं, टैक्सेस बढ़ गए हैं, सर्विस टैक्स आ गए और लेबर बॉम्बे महाराष्ट्र में स्पेशली लेबर्स नहीं मिलते हैं, तो उसके वजह से लेबर शॉर्टेज की वजह से हमें ये सब इंडस्ट्रीज छोटे मोटे रेस्टोरेंट्स वाले बहुत कम हो रहे हैं. ये सब महंगाई इतनी बढ़ गई है और इतना गवर्नमेंट इज नॉट प्रो टू दिस इंडस्ट्री.
This is Mumbai's Matunga area, the mecca of Udupi restaurants, some even as old as 60 to 70 years. But today, just a handful are left.
मंगलोर का जो लोग है वो यहाँ आना बहुत कम हो गया, तो उसके वजह से लेबर का सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है उडुपी होटल में. उस कारण ये सब कम हो रहा है अभी फिलहाल तो. और महंगाई है बहुत सारा, और गैस का सिलेंडर पर 1700 था, अभी अचानक 2150 रुपये हो चुका है.
In the last 2 years alone, 140 Udupi restaurants have had to shut shop due to the absence of customers. Another 200 had shut down between 2007 and 2011. What's choking these idli dosa entrepreneurs is not just the hike in various taxes, but also red tapeism. Getting a registration license involves negotiating at least 45 to 50 municipal departments. But then, there are still some of those who are keeping traditions alive, who still prefer vadas and idlis over burgers.
इडली डोसा, रसम वड़ा, सब कुछ अच्छा है यहाँ का. नहीं, बंद तो होना ही नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि इसकी नेचुरल ब्यूटी यही है, जो है वो ही. ऐसी बेसी नहीं चाहिए हमको कुछ भी.
City's taste is changing rapidly. There was a time in Mumbai when Udupi hotels were known for their delicious food and some people used to come here to just spend time. But now, the crowd is moving from idli sambar to pizza burgers. Certainly, there is a big change. With cameraman Mahesh More, Amrita Shedge in Mumbai for Headlines Today.